Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Come on, let us discuss about relation and functions part 4. Exercise related sums. Question number 1. Let a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R equal to x comma y. The ordered pairs is like this x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. The condition is 3 times x minus y must be equal to 0 where x, y belongs to A. So x also from 1 to 14, y also from 1 to 14. So the condition is 3x minus y equal to 0. So if x is equal to 1, y equal to 3 because you replace x value here then 3. So 3 minus 3 only will get 0. So x is equal to 2 means y equal to 6. You see 3 to just 6, then if you replace y value 6 then only will get 0. So same way x3 means y will be 9. Look at here. x4 means y will be 12. Look at here. x4 then 12 then 12 only. Then x5 means y will be 15. But a must be up to 14. So this part we cannot. So these 4 pairs only we can take. So relation R is equal to 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12, 5, 15. Is it possible 5, 15? Yes, it's not possible. So up to this is up to this. Okay. So relation 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Because 15 is not there in set A. Because A to A. Right. X also belongs to set A. Y also belongs to set A. So this part is not there. Hope you got it. How to find relation. See here they asked. Suppose they didn't ask. Let us think about domain. What will be domain of R here? 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Not 5. Domain will be up to 4. 5 means it will not be there, right? So domain of R will be up to 4. Up to what? 4. It's not 5 is not there. Okay. The same way range of R 3, 6, 9, 12. Why I am doing like this? When you do exam, you should not do such things. Because here up to 4 only. Okay. So 15 also will not come. 3, 6, 9, 12. Hope you got it. Right. Then codomain of R will be 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Hope you understand this sum. Let's go to next sum. Question number 2. Define R on the set n of natural numbers by R equal to x comma y. The ordered pairs x comma y equal to such that y equal to x plus 5. Y value must be added 5 with x. So x is a natural number less than 4. Natural number start from 1. Less than 4 means, so x has only 3 value. 1, 2 and 3. Right? X and y belongs to n means natural numbers. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down the domain and range. So condition is x is equal to y equal to x plus 5. Right? Condition is y equal to x plus 5. If x1 means y will be 6. If x2 means y will be 7. If x3 means y will be 8. x4 we cannot take because less than 4. The same thing. See, x1 means y will be 6. x2 means y will be 7. x3 means y will be 8. So only 3 pairs will get. 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. So relation R equal to only these 3 pairs. Then domain will be what? First elements of the ordered pairs. So domain of R equal to 1, 2, 3. Range of R will be what? Second element of the ordered pair in the relation. So 6, 7, 8 range of R. Hope you understand this problem, how to solve it. Let us see next question. You see question number 3. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. B equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R equal to xy. Ordered pair should be xy. The difference between x and y is odd. X and y must be odd. X is belongs to A, y is belongs to B. So this is the condition. Write in roster form. So all ordered pairs we have to write. Okay. The condition is difference between x and y is odd. So let's see. Because here you see first B difference, right? So bigger minus smaller we will do it, no? You see, y minus x must be odd. So 4 minus 1. Here you see, what are the elements? 4, 6, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 5. So 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 2 if you take. 4 minus 2 will be what? 2. So it is not odd. We cannot take. 4 minus 3, 1. We can take. 4 minus 5, we may get negative. So you difference either this way or that way you can take. So 5 minus 1, 1. So this is also right. The same way, 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. Odd, we cannot take. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, you can take. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 1, 8. So it is even, we cannot take. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. 9 minus 3, 6. Odd. This is even, we cannot take. 9 minus 5, 4. It is even, we cannot take. So all evens are omitted because we need to take the difference only odd. So difference odd 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of pairs we are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So ordered pairs are 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4. Hope you got it. If you want, you can check like this. Difference of 1 and 4, 3. Difference of 1 and 6, 5. Difference of 1 and 9, 8. We cannot take. Difference of 2 and 4, 6. Because evens, we cannot take. 2, 6 is 8. We cannot take. 2, 9 is 7. Okay. So we can take. 3 and 4, 1. So we can take. 3 and 6, 3. So we can take. 3 and 9, 3 and 6 is 3. So we can take. 3 and 9 is 6. We cannot take because it's even. 5 and 4, 1. 5 and 6, 1. 5 and 9, 4. So even we cannot take. So it is verified also. So like this, easily by using the condition, we have to find the relation of the function. Hope you got it. You can subscribe this channel for more videos. Let us discuss other sums next videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.